Hi guys, so in today's video I will demonstrate to you how to determine a condition of a dry cell using a multimeter. So as we can see, we have a analog multimeter here and a dry cell. So this is our material. To check the condition of the dry cell, we should find if there is a bulging area of the dry cell or a opening cover of the dry cell. So if there is no opening or a bulging, so our dry cell is in good condition. So to check the to check the voltage of the dry cell, so as you can see we have a 1.5 voltage here. So we use DCB, direct current voltage, and we put in 2.5. So the positive and the negative. So as you can see, the voltage of the dry cell is 1.3. So our dry cell is usable and good condition. Thank you.